Well, some same-sex married couples in our area are getting their affairs in order after reading Justice Clarence Thomas's opinion that was released part of that ruling that overturned Roe v. Wade.
And he highlights other court rulings he thinks need revisiting, including one enforcing the right for same-sex couples to marry. LGBTQ couples are concerned their marriages may be called into question, and that means protecting their financial future and custody agreements. WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden tackles the issue in tonight's Where's the Money report.
Lawyers we talked to in our area say they are getting a lot of calls about what ifs because there is so much on the line emotionally and even financially.
Next year is going to be our 20th year together.
Joey Hewell and Scott Lindsley enjoy that they get to celebrate a few different anniversaries.
Got married in Central Park in New York in 2004. Of course, it wasn't legal at that point. And so in 2014, when it became legal here in Charlotte, or North Carolina, I should say, we got married then as well.
It was a huge relief, honestly. Our wills and our accounts and things together became less complicated.
Oh, me. To be able to be legally married, if something happened to one of us, then the other person would automatically be the next and, the heir to that. And that wasn't the case before.
In the years since, they've built a full life together and built a booming business. They co-own popular No Company store, and they're about to open a second location in Camp North End.
Very tied up together. Every account that we have, we're both on each other's accounts. We have our business together.
But after Clarence Thomas's contribution to the Roe v. Wade ruling, they're concerned some may someday question their marriage. In a concurring opinion, Justice Thomas suggested other previous Supreme Court rulings, including gay marriage, should be reconsidered.
We fought for a long time. I would hate for us to have to go back through everything that we went through, all the ups and downs and the emotions for years and years.
Questions. Everyone has questions. They want to know what if our marriage equality laws, what if they get overturned? There are no clear-cut answers to that question.
Nicole Sodoma owns a family law firm and says several of her married gay clients want to know how to protect themselves.
Be prepared. I mean, just like we were prepared before marriage equality happened.
She says that means making sure your finances are in order and drafting cohabitation and custody agreements just in case a marriage license is no longer considered valid.
So having that as a backup plan so that you're not scrambling in the event we have to deal with something like this.
Hewell and Lindsley say they can't believe they have to think about these things again.
It's a little shocking that it even is a question.
I don't want to, but I am ready to march and fight and donate money and do anything in the world I can possibly do.
2022 is shaping up to be a record year for anti-gay legislation. Lawmakers across the country have introduced 162 bills targeting the LGBT community. That's just through the first half of this year. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.
Speaking of which, if you look for Michelle's story on our website and inside our mobile app, you're going to find a list of those anti-LGBTQ laws broken down by state and including measures introduced in both Carolinas.